So going to put the pickups in, found, and we're missing some wood on that side. But got a solution for that. Got a small piece that started as the corner of a piece of maple. Cut off with a razor blade, then tapered down with a razor blade. Remove some of the rough mahogany that was on the edges there, and a little bit of wood glue and a little bit of time, and we'll have us the piece of wood back that we need to attach that pickup correctly. Block of wood glued in and pre-drilled a little bit. We're ready to mount this bridge pickup.